Right, this is my Nissan Skyline R32 Tarmac rally car, primarily set up for and running the RB25DE motor, so no turbo on the side of that. And over the last sort of 4 months, just been trying to get the GTR ITB'S and plenium onto it. So have thankfully achieved that, and I've just got it back from the tuners today at E&H Pukekohe in Auckland, New Zealand. I've done a pretty awesome job, so I'll just jump in. Quick start up. It's just looking inside the cockpit. Customs, signage. Anybody in New Zealand needs signage done. Coming out to a dirty side pipe. But yeah, all in all, running rather not too bad. 140 kilowatts at the rear wheels, so I suppose it's pretty average. But yeah, other than that, that's my R32 Nissan Skyline.